Okay, welcome everybody. Today we are talking about Miss Wendy Williams. So, her dearly mother passed away recently. I'm really sorry for that. Like, she has been being very strong, and I'm sure that she'll pass through this. So, let's see in her tarot reading. First, we'll talk about the docu series which is going to release. Many people are talking about it. A lot of buzz is created around it, but I think it is not like the perfect casting. The voice of Wendy Williams, the way she started her radio career, and it was just unique, and the most she has a very thick voice, and it is very eloquent, and still it has the hip hop touch to it. But the person who is casted in it, she barely resembles her. Like one of those scenes, like when she was in the yellow dress walking out in office, she was looking like very much Wendy. And otherwise she's very like a very thin figure, not a thick figured Wendy, which we used to always associate when, like, she's generally associated with. So let's see first, does Wendy like the docu series and the casting? Let's see first the casting. Does Wendy Williams agree with the casting? Does Wendy Williams agree with the casting? Does she like the actress? Does she resemble Wendy Williams? What does Wendy Williams think? Is it a perfect choice? No. So the answer is no, guys. She doesn't think it is the perfect choice. According to Wendy, what it is missing? Like the boldness that Wendy carries, that is missing. The the saving and the prestige and the way of her hard work and hustle is not depicted properly. And she thinks that it is a new beginner is given the chance of playing Wendy Williams. Like the people who casted were not sure of how to represent her in the movie. So that's it, guys. Like, she doesn't feel that way. Like, she's with us, like, she's the realest of real. But you know was she being nice to the director or the producer who had come on the show? Yeah, she was being very nice towards him, like, because it is going to release. She was being very motherly, like offering, like, yeah, you did well and all. But because she wants like it to be a work, it wants it to be ready. Like it is already going to release, you can't do anything about it. So she's just going with the flow, and she's being cordial. But really, we know her feelings. Like, she's like, is she going to? Now let's talk about Suzanne. So many people are thinking and feeling like she doesn't treat Suzanne properly, and I also felt that way. Like her rude comments, and like in the compilation videos, she doesn't really, you know, be. She's sometimes kind of, tongue in cheek with Suzanne. But what's up? Like, I really want to know, when does Wendy Williams doesn't like Suzanne as an employee? Is she like very irritating to Wendy Williams? Let's see, what does Wendy Williams think of Suzanne? Okay, so we are having cards which are really, she feels that Suzanne is not independent. She feels like Suzanne is very much like, maybe she's jealous. Basically, she's jealous of Suzanne's relationship with the family, because she is missing it. And what's up with, like, what does Suzanne feel about Wendy? Okay, see, it is very funny. Suzanne is like always walking on eggshells with her, because it is due to her that they are getting their bills paid. And also, whatever luxury Suzanne is having in her life, she's feeling like she has to keep this job. That's why, like, faking it. Is this faking? Is she faking it? Yeah, she's like checked out. She doesn't, like, she's just acting along with Wendy, animated and all. But really, what's going on is, does Suzanne like Wendy? Yeah, work wise, but in personal life, yeah, it's because of, see, as you can see, the cards have come. Work wise, Wendy is more an authority figure, that's why it's like a partnership. But otherwise, she is just being good because her husband is good, like Brendan is good with Wendy. So she thinks like it's okay, like he is charming and all. But what is her real feeling towards Wendy? Yeah, just like a boss, she respects like a boss. There is not like feelings involved, I don't think so. She thinks like Wendy always eliminates her and doesn't, like, she treats Wendy treats her as an option. She treats her as an worker, like just not even like a co-worker, just like a fake family member who is like, yeah, you are so-called family but you are not, that way. So let's see. Now we'll see about Norman. What does Wendy think about the Norman situation? Like, Norman, does Wendy love Norman like she portrays in her episodes? Norman, yeah, she's kind of like, she treats him, they have gone through a lot, so she treats him like a, like they feeling wise they are good with each other. But professionally, I think he Norman must be getting into something, like, what is the deal? Why is the devil card show? He's not at all decided. Norman is in a fix right now. Why does Wendy? It is because Wendy, see, Cancer sign, Cancer tarot, tarot card for Cancer, is not happy right now. Why? Because the future is uncertain. She's like still into, you know, undecided. The stability is not there. That's why Norman is a little shook about it. Let's see. Now let's talk about DJ Booth situation. DJ Booth. Were the allegations Booth threw on Wendy on Instagram and always going through all social media? Like, I can see many multiple, he's kind of being like replaced, but he has been replaced, and it's a sudden shift after such a dramatic divorce. You get into this DJ Booth situation. So let's see. Is DJ Booth is DJ Booth telling any truth about Wendy Williams allegations? Is it a true? Like, see, is some truth to it? No. Like, did Wendy Williams do anything? What DJ Booth told? No. It's straight. He's using Wendy's portfolio. See, you can see Wendy is a star and he's mixing and matching. He's throwing in anything, that whatever he wants. He just wants, he's unsure about the, what is this 5 of swords? Sorry, 5 of. Is it Wendy's staffers? Yeah. So are they protecting her? They are stuck with her. So Wendy's staffers are stuck with her. But what does DJ Booth want? Does DJ Booth want anything from Wendy? No. Then why is he putting allegations on Wendy? I think DJ Booth is lying, straight away lying. He's just petty. He's just thinking, what was the thing? Okay, let's see. Why is DJ Booth not, like, why did DJ Booth, what happened between these people? Let's see. What does DJ Booth, why did DJ Booth leave the show? Why did DJ Booth leave the show? Let's see. DJ Booth leave Wendy Williams show. Why did DJ Booth leave the show? DJ Booth left the show because he was sad about what? About his, way of speaking, like Wendy Williams' way of speaking towards him and controlling. Okay, Wendy Williams might be a controlling boss in ways like manipulative or being straight away saying, shooting, like Papao got a bit louder for him to handle. And I think Wendy Williams was not paying him well, and he was feeling like he was always emotionally there for Wendy, but Wendy was not, like she was like playing with his emotions and acting as a boss, like out of the workplace and just leaving the situation hanging, when whenever she wanted, like she, like like to shoelaces, when you feel like tying them, you tie them, otherwise you just let them hang around. That way she was treating him that way, so he was feeling very, like she was making all the money, but she, maybe, did DJ Booth want title? Let's see. He wanted title. Okay, we get that, but he didn't get that. Like, he didn't get the title, so he was facing a lot of issues in regards and struggling with a lot of, with Wendy, lot of issues. And the partying and all, during the parties, you know offering Wendy, maybe, like seeing together, but not, you know maybe he he might be like very, I want the title and all kind of person. Like, sometimes people always acknowledge like that, but she must be not feeling it. So what does Wendy Williams think about DJ Booth now? Let's see. What does Wendy Williams thinks about DJ Booth? She doesn't think much about him. Just when she's overthinking, that only, that is the time she thinks about DJ Booth. Like, does she even consider him, DJ Booth? Does Wendy Williams miss him? No, actually, Wendy Williams is like a person. She is like a worldwide person right now. She is not carrying any weight. Okay, she is not carrying any weight. She is positive, but she was down in the dumps for a bit, like here. But now she is kind of okay with it. You know, she thinks like it's okay. Is she ever going to, build a bridge with Booth? She might be thinking about that, but no. Right now, it is a no. She is not trying to get in touch with him. They are like third party situation. They might be, talking through somebody, through a friend, but really, is it going to mend anything? No, it is not going to mend. She is past him. Okay, so now let's see about her mom Nene Leakes, and we have a lot to cover. Let's see. Nene Leakes. Is Wendy still friends with Nene Leakes? Or, because I saw the Kenya episode, so I can see, is Wendy Williams still friends with Nene Leakes? This is the funniest thing. She is thinking like, maybe Nene has not picked up the phone yet. She's like, oh, I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no. She didn't know that. Like, she is totally puzzled with Nene. Does Nene think she is Wendy Williams' friend? No, it's total no, because she invited other friends like her enemy Kenya. So she felt very, Nene has felt certain way about it. She is very, thick about everything. Like, she thinks Wendy Villiers did a blunder by inviting Kenya. She is like flabbergasted with that situation. She thought that Wendy was a true friend, but now, like, turn the tables and you see the other way around. Okay, let's see now her husband and her son situation. Or is Wendy Williams over and has moved on with the divorce? Yes, it is showing a good thing right now. Let's 1 minute. I'll just get a clarifier over here. Okay, these are extremely good cards. As you can see, she is happy with her family enjoying right now, and she has found opportunity, positivity, everything that she has by, for she was like, by, letting this go, letting these sad emotions pass away, being strong in her power. She was in scarcity mindset after that, because divorce case, he might have got a lot of money from her, but now she transformed and she is very mature right now and in her total resilience mode. Okay, so now is, let's see about Wendy's dating life. Like, is she going to get a man in January? Let's see. Next year, is Wendy going to get coupled or be in a relationship or anything like that with a man? Is it going to happen in 2021 for Wendy Williams? Yes, I can see the cards have spoken. Yes, it is going to be from a friend circle person, and she is in her intuition feeling about something. She has a lot of dreams and aspirations, like we saw in the Tasha K. I'm a Tasha K fan. Yeah, I am a Tasha K fan. So she is thinking she wants deliberately a good person who is in power, and she is ready for that tataung. Let's see. Now, will the Wendy Williams, what is Wendy Williams' present state of mind? She has gone through a lot, and let's see. Okay, so we have got these. She doesn't know what to do, what is going to come, what is going to go. She is presently in just silence and denial, that what to do, what not to do. She is like desperately waiting and patiently waiting for this person to appear. Some, like, she is a Cancerian, so she needs a man, feels like she needs a man. She always says that, like, I need a comfort of a man and all. Oh. So right now she is happy with the family. As you can see, people are surrounding her left, right and center. And about wedding and his equation with husband, ex-husband, she is trying to co-parent. Okay, just for his kid, her kid, their kid, she is trying to co-parent. Let's see now. Let's see about, will she be returning on 4th of January, or will the date get extended? Will the Wendy Williams show be ready and air on 4th of January 2021? I'm such a Wendy fan. Like, she just declared on Insta, and I was like, why, Wendy? But then I got to know, I saw that episode of her mother's passing, so I was very emotional for that. Like, I watched all the old clips of Wendy Williams with her mom in the fun times. Okay, so okay, let's do one more. So will Wendy Williams show air on 4th of September 2021. Okay. Yes, it will air, it will air, and it will air. And how will Wendy be and her attitude be towards the show? She is going to make it fun. She is going to feel a new kind of energy, both positive and negative, and it's her job, it's her baby. So she is going to be regular as she is, dutiful always, and she is going to give it to you good. As you can see, justice card. So maybe she must be going through a legal battle. Also, we can see legal battle regarding her, family matter something. mm, she is going to be, within her family, legal battle can be there, which might upset her, cause her very much of, darkness in her life. And then when it got gets completed, then she is going to be in Nine of Cups mode. That is very happy. So, how is 2021 going to be for Miss Wendy Williams, which I am a fan of? Like, she is what she is. Sometimes her comments make a little bit of a noise and a roll, but who doesn't do mistakes in their life? It's just life. Okay? Let's see. How is 2021 gonna be serving to Miss Williams, Miss Wendy Williams? How is she going to be? She is going to be patient. She is going to shine. She is gonna have to show her worth, work hard. Like at this 54 or 55 she is, I don't know age, but she's gonna have to show. But she's gonna have a lot of support and a lot of good new ideas, and she is gonna prosper like anything. Like, she is gonna enjoy her single life while it's there. And there may be some circumstances when she's going to rise from dark times, but she has emotionally matured, and she might be facing some difficulty finding a man due to her walking away from that marriage idea. But will she get a man? She might try to, but then good men, yeah, partnerships she'll be forming, but not relationships. I think are going to be very, for stability purpose, not for the anything else, like just for title. Is it? Yeah, only for the gossip and the headlines, babe, and title, nothing else. Is she happy now? Yeah, happy. 1 minute. She is kind of happy with the way she is right now in world. Okay, what is her message? What is Wendy Williams? What is Wendy Williams' mother Shirley's message for Wendy? Let's see. Wendy Williams' mother Shirley's message for Miss Wendy. Miss Wendy. Okay, let's see. To be working and be independent and truly in her power. Okay, that's what she wants. And what else? Shirley ma'am, I need to know. Miss Shirley. She feels like Wendy is stuck right now and struggling with what, ma'am? With leaving office. Like, Wendy Williams has a lot of pressure, I can feel it. But because whenever during the office day weekend, I always see her show, that's why. So she always turns up. So she wants Wendy to be with her family mood. And you know does Shirley want Wendy to get a partner? Yes, but not like after the breakup. She wants, no, she wants Wendy to be independent. Yes, She wants very much wants Wendy to live her life the way it is right now for her, which is like Sex in the City style. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.